Comment if you want to join the Patreon. You can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Let's get into the video. I wanted to run a quick TA again on SPY, but not really a TA. It's more of just really looking over, because we have CPI news today, and that's going to be extremely volatile for the market. As of right now, all of my targets have hit except for this 542 target right here, which is going to be my next daily target. I think, yep, it's my final daily target. And then after this daily target hits at 542, you have next target at 546, right? And if CPI actually comes in really good, I think more than likely SPY's probably headed back to like a 558, 560, really, which is kind of nuts to think. Let's go to the month, right? Because I really thought we were going to possibly, I still think we could crash, right? I'll be completely honest, right? If this monthly trigger closes, I still think that next month we have a really good chance of coming right back down to 511 and possibly breaking that low, right? If this monthly actually closes. But for now, every single one of my targets already hit, right? As you guys already know, I was pretty bullish last week for basically the full push where we are up to now, right? My first target was 527, that broke. Then it was 537. Then I said yesterday we could possibly see a 540 push, right? We did. Yesterday we even pushed up to 540, and my next target right now is 542 or 543 roughly. Next one would be 546, but I don't really want to, go into 546 yet, because we have CPI, and it really does not look like it wants to break that 5. I don't want to say not break, because you haven't even touched that 542.89 yet, right? So let me just actually add all of that in there, just to get an alert for when this actually happens, if it does. But this should actually be breaking, right? We should actually be seeing a break to the upside, and we actually have a 4-hour target right there. So there is a second target at 550, and also trend. So next target right now would actually be 542. I think we're too close to it to not hit, so I think within the next hour we're probably going to see 542.90, right around this little green area. And then CPI is going to come out, and this either drops all the way back down to like 535 today, possibly lower, right? Because we do have, we have a nice solid bear target at 531 for the daily. But again, if we actually if this actually dies, right, if we actually come back down hard, I think more than likely we can definitely see a drop to 505, and this continuing to the lower side. So again, all targets on SPY hit. I basically, I was thinking, this is basically gonna hit, right? I don't doubt that maybe within the next hour we're gonna push up another maybe like, I don't know, 60 cents, right? The high of this was 542.09. Oh wait, sorry, the high was 542.50. So 30 cents away from hitting that target, right? Or what's the low? 542.87. Yeah. I mean, within the hour, right? I think we can probably push back up to here. But again, all targets hit. It's all up to CPI now. I really don't know, to be honest, what CPI is going to come out to. I don't like talking about news because it's all up in the air, right? I really don't know what it's going to be. If I had to guess, right, I would say that it's going to be bad, just because the weekly is still bearish and the monthly is bearish. But again, I have absolutely no idea how to actually tell you guys if it's going to be good or not, because I just wouldn't be able to tell you guys. We do have, if we do go lower, let me check what our target would be on like a nice solid drop. So it already, you already popped up from 509. So 509 was a good target. 509 already pushed up, right? That already retested. I'd say 489. So it already took liquidity from a bunch of candles. So I'd say if we do, right, if you do drop, right, if you have like really bad news and you continue to drop, my target would actually be down here at 489. If you actually have like bad news today and for some reason you keep dropping and close the monthly bear trigger, right, I do think that next target would be 489. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it like hits sometime in maybe September, right? That we go all the way down here, right? Again, If there is a top, it's going to be here. If not, you're probably going to keep pushing to like a 550 and then you can drop. But it really depends on CPI. So I'll see you guys. Oh, actually, we do have a small trend here, actually. Before anything else, let me run this quick daily trend. You have a small little daily trend. Yeah, there you go. So, I mean, there's a chance that you could just push a little bit higher, right? Maybe to like 546, right? Like 550, maybe wick up here and then tank. But again, I really don't know. It all depends on CPI. But as of now, I would definitely say all my targets already hit for SPY. Right now, we're kind of up in the air. We'll see what CPI comes in and what the news is like, and then we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.